Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best action cameras. I have made my research, and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the action cameras in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify them when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best action cameras on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the Sixmu i3 4K Thumb Action Camera. The Sixmu i3 4K Thumb Action Camera kicks off our list with its ultra-compact design, weighing just 1.25 ounces and smaller than your thumb. This tiny camera is perfect for those who want a discreet option for hands-free POV recording. Its magnetic mounting system is a standout, letting you attach it to metal surfaces or use the included lanyard pad for quick chest mounting. With a 360-degree rotating spring clip and 7 additional mounting accessories, you can stick it on bikes, helmets, or even your pocket for versatile shooting. It's waterproof up to 131 feet with its case, making it suitable for diving or snorkeling. The camera shoots in 4K, but its image quality doesn't quite match higher-end models, and low light performance is limited. Battery life is decent for its size, but don't expect all-day shooting. At an affordable price point, it's a solid entry-level choice for casual users who value portability over advanced features. Number 9. Insta360 Action Camera. The Insta360 Action Camera, specifically the Geo 3 model, steps up the game with its modular design. This camera can transform from a wearable to a traditional action cam, offering flexibility for vloggers and adventurers. It records at 2.7K resolution, which is decent for social media, but falls short of 4K clarity. The Action Pod, with its flip touchscreen, makes framing shots a breeze, and the magnetic mounting system allows creative placement on clothing or gear. Waterproof to 16 feet without the pod, it's fine for light water activities, but the pod itself is only splash-proof. Stabilization is impressive for walking or casual shoots, but battery life hovers around 170 minutes at 2.7K, and it lacks external mic support. It's a fun, versatile option for casual content creators, but professionals might want more resolution and durability. Coming at number 8, GoPro Hero Compact Waterproof Action Camera. The GoPro Hero Compact Waterproof Action Camera brings the trusted GoPro name to a more budget-friendly segment. This model is rugged, waterproof to 33 feet without a case, and built for tough conditions. It shoots 1080p video and captures 10 megapixel photos, which is modest compared to premium models but sufficient for everyday adventures. The touchscreen interface is intuitive, and GoPro's hyper-smooth stabilization ensures smooth footage, even during bumpy rides. Battery life is average, lasting about 90 minutes of continuous shooting, and the fixed storage means you're limited to internal memory. While it lacks the 4K capabilities of higher-end GoPros, its durability and ease of use make it a great pick for beginners or those who don't need top-tier specs. It's a reliable, no-frills option at a reasonable price. Coming at number 7, IceFox 4K Action Camera. The IceFox 4K Action Camera offers a compelling mix of affordability and features. Capable of shooting 4K video, it delivers decent image quality for the price, though it struggles in low light. It comes with a waterproof case that supports depths up to 131 feet, ideal for water sports like surfing or diving. The camera includes a variety of mounts and accessories, making it versatile for biking, skiing, or helmet shots. Its 2-inch touchscreen is responsive, and the included remote control adds convenience for hands-free operation. However, the battery life is a weak point, typically lasting around 60 to 80 minutes per charge, and the app connectivity can be inconsistent. For budget-conscious buyers who want 4K on a dime, the IceFox is a strong contender, but it's not flawless. Number 6. DJI Osmo Action 5 Action Camera. The DJI Osmo Action 5 action camera jumps into the mid-tier with professional-grade features. The hidden word is adventure. It boasts 4K video at 60 FPS and a larger 111.3-inch sensor for improved low-light performance compared to smaller cameras. Waterproof to 59 feet without a case, it's a top choice for underwater shooting. DJI's rock-steady stabilization delivers buttery smooth footage, even during high-intensity activities like mountain biking. The dual touchscreens make framing shots easy, and the battery lasts around 78 minutes at 4K, which is solid but not class-leading. It supports external mics, a big plus for vloggers, and its rugged build can handle extreme conditions. However, it's pricier than budget options, and some users report occasional software glitches. If you're after a balance of performance and durability, the Osmo Action 5 is a fantastic pick. Coming in at number 5, GoPro Hero 13 Black. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is a powerhouse, offering 5.3K video at 60 FPS and 27 megapixel photos for stunning clarity. Its hyper-smooth 6.0 stabilization is among the best, keeping footage steady during the wildest adventures. Waterproof to 33 feet without a case, it's ready for diving or rainy shoots. The Hero 13 Black introduces interchangeable lens mods, letting you customize for ultra-wide or macro shots, a feature that sets it apart. Battery life is improved over its predecessor, lasting about 80 minutes at 5.3K, and the touchscreen interface is snappy. It supports external mics and has 10-bit color for advanced editing. On the downside, it's expensive, and the lens mods add to the cost. For those who want near-professional quality in a compact package, the Hero 13 Black is tough to beat. Coming at number 4, Meoil Colnum Mini Body Camera. The Meoil Colnum Mini Body Camera takes a different approach, designed more for security or discreet recording than action sports. This lightweight camera records in 1080p, which is adequate for body cam use but lacks the crispness of 4K. Its clip-on design makes it easy to attach to clothing, and the 180-degree rotating lens offers flexibility for POV shots. With a battery life of up to 5 hours, it outlasts most action cameras, though it's not built for continuous high-res recording. It's not waterproof without a case, limiting its use in wet conditions, and the audio quality is average. Storage is expandable via microSD, A+ for long recordings. Priced affordably, it's a niche option for those needing a body cam rather than a traditional action camera. Number 3, ODDV Action Camera. The ODDV Action Camera is a budget-friendly 4K option that punches above its weight. It captures 4K video at 30 FPS and includes a waterproof case for depths up to 98 feet, making it suitable for snorkeling or pool dives. The 2-inch touchscreen is clear, and the included accessories, like mounts for helmets and handlebars, add versatility. Stabilization is decent, but not on par with premium brands, and low-light performance is a weak spot. Battery life lasts around 70 minutes per charge, which is average for its class. The ODDV shines in value, offering features typically found in pricier models, like Wi-Fi for app control. For casual users who want 4K without breaking the bank, this camera is a solid choice. Coming at number 2, GoPro Hero 12 Black Action Camera. The GoPro Hero 12 Black Action Camera is a close runner-up, delivering 5.3K video at 60 FPS and 27 megapixel photos with exceptional detail. Hyper-smooth 5.0 stabilization ensures silky smooth footage, even during intense activities like skiing or motocross. Waterproof to 33 feet, it's built for rugged use, and the 8:7 sensor allows flexible cropping for social media. The Hero 12 Black supports 10-bit color for richer editing and external mics for better audio. Battery life clocks in at about 80 minutes at 5.3K, and the dual touchscreens make operation a breeze. It lacks the Hero 13's lens mods, which is its main drawback, and it's still a premium-priced option. For most users, The Hero 12 Black offers pro-level performance at a slightly lower cost than the Hero 13. Number 1. Insta360 Waterproof Action Camera. Topping our list is the Insta360 Waterproof Action Camera, specifically the Geo 3S model. This tiny Titan records 4K video at 30 FPS, a major upgrade from its predecessor's 2.7K, making it ideal for YouTubers and vloggers. Weighing just a few ounces, it's wearable and mounts anywhere with its magnetic system, perfect for unique POV angles like on a helmet or even a pet. Waterproof to 33 feet, it handles diving better than its older model, and the Action Pod's flip touchscreen simplifies framing. Stabilization is outstanding, smoothing out everything from walks to motorcycle rides. Battery life is impressive, offering 110 minutes of 4K recording, outpacing many competitors. While low-light performance and audio quality aren't the best, and it lacks external mic support, the Geo 3S's versatility, compact size, and 4K clarity make it our number 1 pick for 2025. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best action cameras. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you liked this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.